What's this? No, what's this? Oh, it's pants. Wait, is it pants? No, it's the dress. Ah, hey. We are going to. The rain has been very annoying. It's crazy. Like, it's really annoying. Like, come on now. You get it.
That's your personal one.
How small one? Actually, that's true. I have in my own. It's not my own. It's not the one you bought me. It's a different one. Oh. You guys, the rain's been so crazy. I'm trying to go get my nails done. So also, before I even start, I'm using a new camera. Well, not a new camera, my old camera that I haven't used in a long time. So I hope that the video is not, like, the quality is not as bad as I'm thinking. But the way I'm looking at it right now, it looks good. So I think I should be fine. Welcome if you're new, and welcome back if you're not new. I am going to get my nails done right now. I have a trip coming up on Tuesday. I have a trip coming up, a surprise birthday trip, so I'm planning for it. It's prepping season. I'm kidding. I'm prepping right now, so I'm going to get my nails done. I don't know who's parked behind me. Like, who's this? And like I said, it's been raining. Oh, it's my sister and her friend. Like I said, it's been raining, so it's not really like a good day to like go out or whatever, you know, that moment when you just want to be in the house. But I have to go get my nails done. I'm not available tomorrow, so I cannot do tomorrow. I have an appointment for 3:30. It's 3:36 right now. Please don't hit me, let me go. It's 3:36 right now, but it's 2 minutes away from my house, so that's not bad. And then when I get home, I'm gonna start packing. Like I said, I don't have time tomorrow, so I'm gonna pack when I get home today, Sunday. And then what else? Tomorrow I'm gonna see if I can get my nails done. So tomorrow I'm still gonna be working, but I'm gonna be working from home. I haven't been in the nail salon in a long time, so I'm like, is it here? Is it here? It's here, right? Okay, right there. So tomorrow I'm working from home, so I'm gonna get my nails done. My friend is gonna come home to get, I mean, not my nails done, my hair done. My friend is gonna come home to get my hair done, and then yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. I completely forgot that I'm supposed to, well, not supposed to, but I completely forgot that I should get my nails, my hair done. Oh god, I keep saying nails. I completely forgot that I should get my hair done, so I didn't plan for that. So now I'm doing last minute. When I get home, I'll see what I have so that I'm prepared for when my friend get here tomorrow morning. Yeah, let's go get my nails done. I haven't been to the nail salon in a long time. Like I said, I've been doing my nails from home. I already did my toenails, and I'll show you. Right now I'm wearing my rain boots. Well, not rain boots, but I'm wearing boots. So, but when I finish, I'll show you what I have for my, I'm just gonna do white. This is what my nails look like right now, just bare. My nails have not been doing well. They've been breaking, they've been cracking, they've just been doing all sorts. So I don't know what's going on, but I'm trying my best to pamper them and care for them. So yeah, I'll do white. I'll just do white color. Usually I match my feet, but I have different color on my feet. But I'll do white, just also because my nails are short right now. White looks good when my nails are short. So I'm gonna do white. And yeah, like I said, it's a surprise trip. Maybe I didn't mention it's a surprise trip, so I have no idea where I'm going to, but I'll tell you more about it when I'm packing for the trip. All right, I'll see you later. Good, how are you? Long time no see.
Yeah. I can see now.
Just paint it, or if I should do manicure. I think I'm just gonna paint it. Just put a nail polish on.
Beautiful.
Thank you. I haven't been here since then. I think I have. But thank you.
I can tell. It took too long.
Right.
Too long.
It has been too long.
So what shape you want? You want just down?
I do the round and
shape?
square, in between round and square.
Okay.
Yeah. So this is what it looks like. Oh, I love it. I love it. I just feel like you can never go wrong with white. I love it. I love it. It's my go-to nails when I'm going on vacation and when my nails are short. So perfect. This is what the second hand looks like. All right, so I'm gonna go home now and I'm going to pack. I want to pack now while it's still day. The night is coming when no one can work. I want to pack now. I don't know if you guys know that verse, that Bible verse that says, I must walk the walk of him who sent me while it is day. The night is coming when no one can work. That's what I was referencing to just now. Anyway, see when I get home. Oh my god, you guys, please bear with me. I know my camera has been going up and down. Please bear with me. I'll see you when I get home. Hi again. All right, so now I want to pack. I don't want Elani. Did you just mess up my lights? Anyway, I am packing now, but before I actually get into it, I'm not going to show you the whole thing. You don't need to see the whole thing. You don't care about the whole thing. So I just want to kind of give you some highlights, and part of it is this package that I received, which I almost forgot about, but now that I'm packing, I'm going to unpack it so that you can see what I bought, so that I can see what I bought, because like I said, I kind of have forgotten about it. And then I'm sure I have some vacation wears in there. I will then pack those ones for my trip. So, oh, here is the package. It's from Shein. My phone is ringing. Oh no, my phone is not ringing. Whose phone is ringing? The ear vibrates. I have this one. I have no idea what's in here. It hasn't been long since I bought this, so I'm not sure why I don't remember. Guys. What's this? What? No, what's this? Oh, it's pants. Wait, is it pants? No, it's the dress. Ah, hey.
It looks like pants.
Right?
Check comments.
I don't even understand. You guys, you know, I'm sure it's pretty, right? Because I saw what I bought. But I feel like I need to wear it before I pack it, just so I know that this is gonna be good for vacation. Oh, it's a top, but like it's a high-low top. It's a high-low top. So this is. My nephew said, "How is that a top?" It's a high-low top. So basically, you just wear like leggings or shorts underneath. Actually, I think that now that I remember, I like it. I like it, but I'm still gonna wear it before I leave, just so I have an understanding of how to mix match it, so I know what to wear underneath. but I like it. I'll put the picture on the screen. I like it. This one looks like a shoe bag.
Oh, yeah, shoe bag.
Legit looks like a shoe bag. What is this? Oh, it's a purse. What kind of purse is this?
Yeah.
This is so crazy. This is not what I saw online. Well, I'm sure when you put things in it, it will form. Huh? No, it's exactly what it is, but because there's nothing in it, so in the photo, they put it to look like, you know, they took the photo of it is looking structured basically, but because there's nothing in it, it looks weird. Let me see. So it has strings on the side. Look, babes, there. You see that it's not cute?
Not bad.
Right, because it wasn't structured earlier, so it was looking weird. But this is it. It's a purse. I like it. Yeah, it's cute. I like it. Oh, I also bought a beret. I've always wanted this one that is so fancy. Well, as I mentioned, you guys really don't need to see all of this because I'm not taking this on my trip, but this is so cute. I want to show you. Is this what I bought though? I can't really remember, but this is cute regardless. I don't know, something. I'm just trying to show you guys the vacation clothes. Sorry, I apologize for the berets. This is a two-piece. Wow, this stuff is too small. This is too small. I hope I can wear it. This looks like this. And this is the bottom. I like the bottom. I like that it's not your typical two-piece, that it's the same color. So that way I can also mix and match this ones. I hope the pants fit. So this is definitely going with me. I'll also wear it before I pack them, just so I'm aware of how it looks like. And I have this one. Oh, this is a dress. I actually like this one. It's gonna look weird without like accessory. Yeah, like without you accessorizing it, it's gonna look weird. But I have an idea of how I want this to look, how I'm going to wear it. So I think it's gonna be cute. And again, I'll wear this one. I don't know if I'll take this one with me, depending on how I style it. Like when I finish this video, I'll wear it, I'll style it. If it's looking good, I will take it with me. And I bought this earring organizer because I have a lot of earrings and I'm hoping to get more earrings, but because I just forget what I have because I have them in different places. So sometimes I forget the earrings that I have and I tend to just wear the same earrings over and over again. I would say though that of late I've been trying to wear different earrings, so I'm doing a great job. But this is gonna really help me to see all my earrings in one place, and that way I can select and wear different earrings at different times, which I'm excited about because I do have different colorful earrings, different types, different styles, different designs. So here is going to be a 360 rotating earring holder, earring, necklace, bracelet holder, everything holder. So that's great. There are more stuff from this Shein package, but again, you don't need to see all of that. Now I'm gonna get started. I'm gonna start packing, and yeah, that's good. Now I feel better. And this is definitely going with me on vacation. We are going to Punta Cana. We're going to DR, you guys. I'm excited. I mean, I'm always going to be excited. Not like I've been there before, so, but I know it's going to be great. All right, I'm going to talk to you guys later.